student, today to start with our topic entrepreneur journey, we'll discuss about importance of evaluating ideas. Now there are four importance of evaluating idea. First, to decide what is important. Second, to identify strengths and weaknesses of each idea. Third is to make the best use of limited resources. Fourth is to minimize risk while maximizing returns. Now, to decide what is important. Evaluation of ideas is important because it forces the entrepreneur to decide what is important to entrepreneurial venture for which the entrepreneur is pursuing. Potential ideas should be evaluated against what is important to the entrepreneur. Now, for this, we have to mark that evaluation of entrepreneur because the forces of entrepreneur decide what is important to entrepreneurial venture. At present, what is important? Like take an example of this scenario. Now maximum car companies, they are not able to sell their product because now people desire to buy a car has been postponed. So now it is important for them how much cars should be made so that they can easily sell it, or what features should they add so that easily can be sold. The potential ideas should be evaluated against what is important to entrepreneur. So we have to look for the ideas and evaluate them minutely. We have to study them minutely so that we can succeed in our model. Now second, to identify the strengths and weaknesses of the idea. So we have to evaluate each and every idea before implementing. We have to see what strengths are there, what weaknesses are there with the idea. We have to see. Evaluation of ideas is important because all ideas are not created equal. Some ideas that the entrepreneur comes up with will be better chances of success than others. By evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of each idea, the entrepreneur is forced to identify the assess the strong and weak points of looking at the strengths and weaknesses of each alternative and evaluating each idea to make a better decision. Like an example, when the Tata Nano was launched, it was the world's cheapest car. Now after, when it didn't succeed to achieve its market share, now Ratan Tata, while it was discontinuing the Nano, in his interview he said that Nano advertisement was behind the, because of Nano advertisement we were not able to succeed in our idea. Why? Because world cheapest car, when it's come in the mind that we are riding in a world cheapest car, ultimately the other person will see that if their status has come down. So that's why we have to look for the strength and weakness of each idea before coming to a conclusion. Now, to make the best use of limited resources. As you know that resources are limited, they are scarce in nature. Because of scarcity of resources, economy of the world or economy is there. Now if demand is more, supply is less, ultimately what will happen? The price will go up. So this is, we have to see land, labor, capital, they are scarce in nature. The evaluation of ideas is important because resources are scarce in nature. Most entrepreneurs have limited amount of capital, time, people or other resources that will be needed to persuade the entrepreneurial ideas by evaluating them. They can make sure that their choice will use the best use of limited resources. So we have to use the best use of resources. The entrepreneur who uses the best use of resources will ultimately succeed because their cost of product will come down. To maximize the risk while maximizing return, we have to minimize the risk while maximizing. We have to minimize the risk and maximize the profit. Evaluation of an idea is important as it has to do with the desire to minimize risk while maximizing return. The entrepreneur will like an idea which have the least risk and maximum return. Entrepreneur put in the effort to evaluate potential entrepreneurial ideas as there is an opportunity to minimize the level of risk exposure while maximizing possible amount of payoff return. So we have to evaluate the idea and we have to see which idea will minimize the risk and maximize our profit. Thank you.